Hello, welcome back. This is my second video following on from my Woozone cron job video. Again, apologies for the voice quality. Got a bit of a sore throat and I'm a bit of a mumbler, so I'll add subtitles anyway. Okay, as you can see, I've got a couple of issues here. Got the memory limit issue, the SOAP client and the WooCommerce pages. So what I'll work on now, I'll work on the memory limit issue. So what you do, we'll go back to my other site, iuseful.com, and this is the memory limit code. Let's copy that, go to File Manager, go back to your WP config in your public HTML. Let me show you that, public HTML, WP config. If you followed the other video, you've got a backup already, but if not, just right click, download, save a backup, because it's a very important file. So right click, edit, go to edit, and you probably got this code in there already if you followed the other video. Just press enter, and this line of code below. You can set it to at least 64, but I will set it to 128 or 256 M. This improves overall performance on the whole site. It helps with WooCommerce a lot and Elementor and plugins. Make sure you save. And now let me go back. Just refresh this. And it's gone. Okay, and I'll quickly do this PHP SOAP client as well. This is just an extension in PHP. I've noticed a lot of affiliate plugins that use Amazon, they need the SOAP client. So, to do that, go back to cPanel. You should be able to access PHP on your cPanel, depending on your host. My host, got a link down below called Guru. They give you access to pretty much everything. Click on select PHP version. The SOAP client is here, just check that one and press save. Okay, saved. Also, I've noticed that I'm not running PHP 7.3 on this site, it's just a test site. So what I ideally want to do is update it to PHP 7.3, straightforward. And one thing to be careful of, just check which extensions are enabled. When you change versions, sometimes it's not set by default. And the important one here is MYSQLI. If this is not enabled and I press save and I go back to my site, I'll get an error message and the site won't load. I've got another video about this where it happened to me. So I'll set this one to current. 7.3 is changed. Also, I'll enable this, press save. Okay, saved. Now if I refresh my main page again, oops, did I not? Oh, maybe I didn't save it. Okay. Maybe when I changed it, didn't save it. Anyway, save there. Okay, and now refresh. Done. Okay, that's all done. If that's what you needed, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know if it worked for you. I'll try and improve these voice quality for the next few videos. Just something new I'm trying. I'll do another quick video on how to add the WooCommerce pages. So, thanks a lot.